Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a short video for the do-it-yourself person. I'm gonna lay out 5 simple steps that you can make to make it a successful repair. First of all, plan a day ahead of time. Purchase the correct parts that you're gonna need for the job. Do your research. There's plenty of ways you can do your research. Watch YouTube channels like people like me that actually done the job. Just simply punch in year, make, model, and what the job is. Don't just watch one, watch several of them, because some of them are super edited. It makes it look way easier than what it actually is. So watch long videos, short videos, skim through it. It's going to give you an idea what tools you're going to need. Check the weather, dress accordingly for that day that you plan on working. Wear loose clothing, something that's comfortable to move in. Make sure you got some gloves to protect your hands. Secondly, it ties in really to the first thing, is that you want to make sure that it's not going to rain. You want to do some last minute jotting down of notes, things that you might run into, a plan B maybe on, hey, do I got a second vehicle to run up to the parts store in case something happens? You know, there's a lot of little obstacles you might run into sometimes in a job, no matter how hard you plan for it. Me as a professional doing this every day, it still happens every once in a while. Pretty rarely, but I try to think ahead. Third, have fun with it. Don't get stressed out. Don't treat it like it's, oh, I gotta cut the grass or I gotta do this hard job. Just enjoy yourself. Enjoy the experience of fixing your own car and saving yourself some money. If you get frustrated, take a break. But always stay on track. Don't get sidetracked. If somebody walks up to you, a neighbor wants to talk about God knows what, just stay on point and focus on your job and your mind. Be thinking the next step ahead. Keep your tools organized, things like that. Fourth, always test the function of the vehicle when you're done. Take it, shake it down, whatever you're doing. Triple check, double check, triple check, quadruple check every bolt. Do I have a bolt left over? And then after that, you want to give a really good long test drive. Listen for any noises. Did it fix the problem? Things like that. And fifth is real simple. Sit back and relax and be proud of yourself. Be proud for the fact that you were able to accomplish that task and get this job done correctly. Reflect back on things that you might have done a little different to make it a little bit easier, and plan for future jobs, because you're going to learn each time you do a job yourself. That's how the professionals learn.